Hi guys, now I would like to share some information about API 650 storage tanks on ground. Okay, now it's starting from annular to shell and shell to annular and annular to sketch. Bottom plate connected with the sketches, which is all around the 360-degree given to the sketches. Some plates is connected to the sketches plates, annular plates. Okay, now I am going to show you the joints. This is shell to annular and this is annular. This is sketch to annular. This is sketch to annular. This is annular to annular. Here with the shell to annular. Now I am going to show you that deck supports, deck leg sleeve supports, and this is bearing plate, that one, and these are the leg support. This is leg sleeves. The entire roof sat on the supports only. Here with the supports are 7 groups divided into leg supports are divided into the 7 groups: P1, P2, P3, P4, 5, 6, 7, like that, and dimensionally divided into the some measurements given into the gap also. Here is the overview of the leg supports. See, the entire deck depend upon the leg supports. That is the roof drain connected with the pivot master to cell nozzle. Here is the ladder. This is the entire roof set on the pipe supports, and this is here with the two measurements are there: roof size, one of the operating level and second one of the maintenance level. Operating level is 2000 mm, maintenance level is 1500 mm. And if we construct the time 2000, if we put, it will be very helpful to our weld visual or something, welding joints like that. This is the manhole connected with the ladder. We are going through ladder or over the deck. Here with the deck overview, there are 7 cell cores are there in tank. Here with the support pin and leg pins. Then I am going to show you that stiffener ring to inner rim to, stiffener ring to deck connections. This is the stiffener ring to inner rim, that compartment box. This is inner rim, and stiffener ring to deck connected, that one. And here with the show you overview, foam dam, that one support. This is the compartment. Each compartment has one manhole, and this is the foam dam. When in case of any emergency, that foam will be come in the center. The plate will be like dam. It will store the foam. This is the top angle over the top pontoon, and this is used for the inside cell to compartment. The 200 mm gap is there, that one. The sleeves will come, primary and secondary sleeves will come. The connection will be given to the top angle holes. Okay, here with the rolling ladder is there. Rolling ladder both side, two pipes are there. One is the level transmitter, second one is the gauge well pipe, and then top landing platform. And here with the overview of the tank inside, these are the blader vents. There are 3 blader vents are there in this tank, depend upon the diameter as per API 650 given there in the size of the tank, diameter of the tank, and required manholes, blader vents, and rim vents. And now 2 rim vents are there in tank, and now I am going to show you that the rim vent how assembled there in the top pontoon compartments to outer rim. This is the entire foam dam. Now I am going to show you that rim vent. Yes, I am going there. Overall 2 rim vents are there. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. If I put any new video, you will get the notification. and I will try to give you some more information about tank or engineering construction videos. And better to keep one drawing with you and check the any doubt, you can observe this drawing to construction, how it is done. Now I am came to, this is the rim vent connected to top pontoon to outer rim. This is the whole connection given to the size, same pipe size, and these are all tested by oil chuck test or diesel chuck. These are all compartments, and this is the third one, manhole. These are the blade vent leg supports. These are the near view of the rolling ladder, gauge well pipe and level transmitter and top platform, top landing platform. And this is the ladder with track. When fluid come into the tank, then the ladder will moving front and back, and the deck will come and down. When fluid come inside, it deck will be come on the top side. Here with the center pontoon, there are 6 compartments are there. This is the drain roof connected to the pivot master inside, downside. And here with the overview of the tank inside, there are 7 shell cores are there, S7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 like that. And vertical joints and horizontal joints will be given to the well details. This is the third one, manhole.